Hi guys, in this very simple tutorial I am going to show you how to make Facebook account private, completely private, every post, every information. Let's dive in. First of all, let's launch the Facebook app. You're going to be hit by your profile. You want to click on the top right corner where is the gear icon. You click on the gear icon and now we're in the settings and privacy. You want to scroll down, and due to the recent updates, things are very easy to find. Let's click on privacy checkup right over here. When you click on privacy checkup, the first option that you want to focus and make your account private, completely private, is to click on the who can see what you share. Very easy. Click on the first one and there you have it. Here you will be able to change the privacy on every public information that you currently have, including posts and stories, including your audience, meaning your friends, who is your friend and who you are actually following, including the public pages, who is actually tagging you on what, all the content that you're currently tagged in, and all the blockings, right? Everyone who currently is blocked on your blocking list, everything could actually be hidden. All you gotta do is to click continue, and there you have it. You will have the option to make, first of all, the contact information, your email. You can create privacy curtain behind when is your birthday, when you was born, right? You can hide your relationship status, you can hide your current city, your education, your friends, your following, your posts, absolutely every piece of content that is currently public or limited to friends or to particular parts of your friends could simply be made private. You understand the power of this new update from Facebook, which simply allows you to take over full control, and you can make, in a matter of minutes, all of your content, all of your information, all of your public presentation completely private, and people will be having hard time even finding your account when they Google. So this is how you're gonna go about it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Reels for free. Let's launch the Facebook app and pick up a reel. Okay, let's click on the reels. Okay, let's download this reel over here. You want to click on the arrow that is on the lower right corner, share, right? And then I want you to copy the link. After we copy the link, I want you to head towards Chrome. Okay guys, I want you to find this app. It's called snapsafe.app. You come over here and you want to paste your link. Okay, and the app will simply process the video and will give you an option to download the video. As you can see, we have plenty of different options of qualities. Just pick your option. Be careful where you're clicking, of course, as usual. Not as many ads as in the other apps platforms, but this is how you can download Facebook Reels for free, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Messenger. Facebook has been doing a lot of updates and changes, and things are getting more and more complicated. It is harder and harder to find the actual menu. So let's dive in. First of all, let's launch the Messenger app. Now you want to go on the top left corner where you have the three stripes. You click on them. Then when you have your account page pull on the side, you want to click on the gear icon. When you click on the gear icon, you will go into your settings. You want to scroll all the way down. When you're all the way down on the account center meta, you want to click on see more account center. When you're here, you want to click on password and security. It's almost at the end of the menu. When you click on password and security, you have the option to see security checks. This will help you to review the security issues and where you actually log in, which devices you log in, which emails, and how you can actually log out from some of those devices or pages or websites. So you click on where you're currently logged in. Here you will find all the accounts that you currently log in. You will see which account is associated with what device. For example, you have a tablet, you have a laptop, and you have another phone that are all currently logged in into your account. Very important, this function will also show you all the linked accounts. For example, if you're running a couple of different Instagram pages, and if you link these pages with Facebook, and I bet you already did, well, you will have the option to actually remove the devices that are currently logged in, either on the Facebook account, on Messenger account, or on Instagram account. This is very helpful because you will be able to change your settings once for all of the accounts at the same time. You don't have to go individually on Instagram settings or Facebook settings, or here in this particular case with Messenger settings. But as you saw, it is getting harder and harder, and they try to essentially hide this particular function. I'm not gonna be surprised if future you might not be able to delete your account, and you have to send an email with the inquiry for you to get your account deleted. It will not be an option for you manually to click delete my account or deactivate my account. This is my expectation and my own personal opinion. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock people that you block on Facebook. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Next step will be to go on the top right corner where you see the gear icon. You click on the gear icon and you're on the settings and privacy. What you want to do from now on is to scroll down to the section that is simply related to audience and visibility. The almost second to the last option will be blocking. You click on blocking, and here you will find people that once you block. And this is very important because you can simply create a brand new list or simply unblock all these people. Scrolling down, I presume you do have much more people that you block. Unfortunately, you can actually Google for individual people or persons by clicking the plus sign. You can actually type the name of the person, because sometimes you probably block someone a couple of months or years ago, and now you try to reunite with the person, you try to establish new relationship. So it will be much easier for you to go and look for the person in the blocked list, because if you simply go on Facebook search and search for the person, because you block it, it most likely not gonna show on the public search. So the only way for you to search and find him and to unblock him manually will be going through the inner search of the blocking list. This is where you actually type the name person or you type the handle. You're gonna find the person and you're going to unblock the person from here. Don't try to do a lot of mistakes usually people do. They try to Google the person, they cannot find the person. Even Google will not show you the account that you blocked, because the link associated with the Facebook account has been blocked from you. So you have to go on the blocking list on this particular privacy setting, and then you can unblock it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. There were some changes on Meta platform, so the options and the tools have changed a little. Let me show you. Very simple, very easy. Launch the Facebook app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then I want you to click on the top right corner at the gear icon. When you're at your settings and privacy menu, I want you to click on the first menu, which is Account Center. When you're at Account Center, I want you to click on the Account Settings menu, the option number 2, which is Personal Details. When you're at Personal Details, I want you to click on Account Ownership and Control. When you're at Account Ownership and Control, you can click the Deactivation button, which is the second one. Deactivation will simply means that your account will be temporarily deactivated, and the reason for it is that you might want to go off social media. You might be off for particular reasons. You might hide particular content, so the people will not be able to find your account when the account is deactivated. Even people that have your link to your account, the account simply will not be showing. On Messenger, if you keep the Messenger app the icon with your profile picture will turn gray and will lose its profile picture on Messenger. The main difference between deleting or deactivating the account is that with deactivation, your data and your files and your history will be saved, right? The moment you go back and reactivate the account by simply logging in, everything will go back to normal. But this is how you can deactivate your account on Facebook. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide likes on your own post on Facebook and on other people's posts on Facebook. Very simple, brand new feature. Let's dive in. First thing, you want to launch the Facebook app. Then you want to go to your own profile. When you're on your own profile, you want to head to the top right corner where you see the gear icon, and then you want to go on settings and privacy. This brand new feature is located into the preference tab. Here you will find a brand new section that is called reaction preferences. You want to click on reaction preferences, and here you will have this brand new two options. First option is if you want to hide the likes of other people's posts. If I click this on, now when you see a post from friends, you're not going to see how many likes. You're not going to see potential reactions. Somebody love it, somebody hate it. You know how these new features of reactions actually work. If you read deeply, the explanation from Facebook is that you won't see the total number of reactions. In other words, likes, dislikes, love emojis on other people's newsfeed, pages and groups. You still will see reaction counts for posts in other places like Marketplace or for content like Reels. You see, your reactions to a post will still be visible to you and everyone else. This means that when you like or dislike something, some post on Facebook, you're gonna see it. You're gonna see your own actions, your own reaction, but any other post or reaction will simply be hidden for you. The second option over here is that you can hide your own reactions as well on your own post. Look at this. If you click this on, other people won't see the total number of reactions under posts you share to your profile. You post a picture, for example, you got 100 likes. Well, no one can see it, how many likes or dislikes this image got. Also, they're saying, according to Facebook, is that reaction counts will still appear on your post in other places like groups or other content like Reels. Meaning that if you double share the same exact piece of content once on your profile and once on Reel, well, on Reel, likes, dislikes, and comments will appear for everyone. You cannot hide it from there, but you can simply hide it from your own feed. This is how you hide likes from your post and from other people's posts on Facebook. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TikTok to Facebook. First of all, we gotta launch the TikTok app, and you wanna make sure that you copy your actual username. Currently it's copied. Then you gotta go back on Facebook. You want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile picture. When you click on your profile picture, you're going to be sent to your account. When you're on your account, you will see that you have the three dots option as a button on the menu. You click on it, and then you want to click on edit. When you click on edit, you want to scroll all the way down to the last section, which is links. You want to click edit your about you section, and you want to edit more links. The first option is that you are actually able to add social links. This is the place where it says username. You simply paste the link that you copy or your username that you copy from TikTok. After that, all you gotta do is to save the changes on the way up. For example, there is a save on the top right corner. And then you can go back up, and this will appear in your bio alongside any other social media account that you linked with. Remember, You have to copy the exact username that you have, and you have to save the changes. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Facebook. First of all, let's launch the Facebook app. The easiest thing that you want to do is to go and click on your profile picture on the lower right corner, and then you want to scroll all the way down and you see the logout function. But this is only working if you are logging into one account and only one device. I assume a lot of you are probably logged in through multiple different devices and you have at least 2 or 3 different accounts. So let me show you how you can actually log out from all the devices and from all the accounts. You want to go back all the way up. You want to click on the gear icon on the top right corner. Then you want to click on the Meta Account Center. After you click on Meta Account Center, you want to click on Password and Security. When you go on Password and Security, there is a special section that is called Security Checks. You want to click on where you're currently logged in. When you click on this, you will see which accounts are currently logged in through which devices. For example, you have account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each account is logged in through different device: tablet, PC, phone, Android, iPhone. You want to make sure that you can log in and log out automatically through all the devices. First thing you want to do is that if you currently not possess the phone anymore, you sold the phone, you lost the phone, you want to make sure that you log out from these devices that you don't have access to. Also, you want to make sure that the accounts will no longer be associated with automatic login or the multi-login functionality. We all know if you add multiple accounts through your login function, you simply can switch from one account to another without inputting manually the password or the username. So this is how you go about. If you have only one account, you go on the general menu and you click logout. But if you have a multiple accounts, you gotta go to the Meta Center, you gotta go to Password and Security, and you have to click on where you're currently logged in. Subscribe and follow for more.